Let's learn some basic tips that will help you in your sketching and improve your drawing skills. So, the first thing that you need to do is just to draw lines. You don't have to worry if your lines are going to be straight, if they're going to be crooked. All you need to do is go from one end of the page to the other end of the page, and in single swift motion, you have to create your lines. These will be horizontal lines, they'll also be vertical lines. Make sure that you also make them in different lengths. So you will notice that when you're making them in shorter length, it's slightly easier to create than if you do it longer. Also, go from bottom to top, top to bottom in terms of your vertical lines, and in terms of your horizontal lines, go from both directions. One is you will go from left to right, you will also go from right to left. The next thing is to create basic shapes. Everything in the world can be drawn with just basic shapes. You need your triangles, your squares, your rectangles, your trapezium, your circles, and ovals. That is all that's needed. Again, just remember you do not need to be perfect. There's absolutely no requirement that every angle, every point has to be absolutely 90 degrees when it comes to a square or a circle or a triangle. In circle, there's not going to be 90 degrees, but you don't have to have the perfect circle. So practice these spirals as well. When it comes to circles, there's a very nice and easy way to do that. All you need to do is make sure that the palm of your hand is a little away from your paper and draw a circle in thin air and keep going closer and closer to your paper. And you'll notice the moment you touch your paper, you're able to create a much nicer, a cleaner circle as compared to when you do the regular way. So just remember, you need to keep your hand a little away from your paper and then keep trying and creating these circles. Go closer and closer when required, and you will notice that when you touch the paper, it comes perfect. You'll use the exact same technique when you're doing your ovals. You keep your palm away from the paper, draw your oval in thin air, go closer and closer to your paper, and the moment it touches the paper, you get very, very beautiful ovals. Hope these sketching techniques help you to improve your drawing skills.